So, in summary of the last few sections, let me remind you that most behaviors are actually releases of information involving the modular hierarchy. And if you've got some areas that detect receptive fields just within one sensory mode, like visual or auditory or somatosensory, attention behaviors are releases into the modular hierarchy and releases of selections of subsets of the total information available. Behaviors can be releases between selected areas of the modular hierarchy or out of the modular hierarchy to drive a selected externally directed behavior like a motor movement. The major exception is reward behaviors that are directed back into the component hierarchy to change recommendation weights. So, to summarize the conclusions we've derived from the use of consequence feedback when learning a complex combination of behaviors, there'll be a major separation between a modular hierarchy and a component hierarchy. The modular hierarchy defines and detects conditions in the information available to the system, while the component hierarchy interprets condition detections as behavioral recommendations and determines and implements the most strongly recommended behaviors. The component hierarchy is made up of components that correspond with different behaviors. Most often, these behaviors are releases of information into the modular hierarchy, out of the modular hierarchy, or between different areas of the modular hierarchy. But an important exception is the reward behaviors that are still recommended by the modular hierarchy, but are implemented back into the component hierarchy to change recommendation weights.